Hello guys, drum test will begin from passing through two side-by-side drums, right? You will be told to either go left or right, start the drum test, okay? In this case, going left and stop car in the middle front two drums, okay? While steering is straight, look back when the left window, blind spot, okay, and reverse back the car until you see 40% view of second drum, okay. Then turn your steering fully left, okay, that. Alright, reverse back until car trunk reach near first drum with this gap between car trunk and drum. Fix your steering straight and go inside. Then turn fully left again. When the both side is straight, okay, like that, your steering should be straight. Keep looking from the mirror side, left side. Go slowly back until last drum, like that. The steps is very easy, my friend. You can pass the drums for just 5 steps. Alright guys, now we are going right side. Okay, you have to stop between two drums, in the middle of two drums. Then you have to look to the triangle mirror. When you see 50% view from second drum, like that, and then you have to stop. You have to stop, then turn your steering fully right. You could be looking from the mirror side, right side, until you reach to the near drum. Fix your steering straight, and then from this moment you turn fully right, okay. When the both side is straight, you need to stop and fix your steering straight. Look again from the mirror to make sure your car going straight. You can do it step by step, don't be in a hurry, okay? This is from right side. Okay, thank you.